Hello guys, welcome to 10-year 5 crore challenge, and this is episode number 31, and we are ended by November first week, and today date is 19th November. So what happened? So this week actually we have gone through F&O trading sessions and with one lot per trade, and I see we have net to net we don't got any profit or negative because we got around 200 rupees, but that 200 rupees will gone as a brokerage and STTs. So the F&O trading will going to be aggressive in the coming weeks, and the investments I have done with the equity shares based on my algo signals and also my indicators. So those investments are going good, and but I see due to lack of the confidence on the nifty, so we are not able to get as many as stocks, because only if it is the stock is fundamentally good and even our indicator is supporting, then we are going investing 10k or 20k per stock. Okay, so that's those investments are going good, and okay, we are not yet booked any loss. But last month we see there is a 2000 rupees or 4000 rupees that went to loss booking, because I see the market turns bearishness, and I see that is the right time to make all the investments exit. I want to be in the cash mode. Okay, so and also last week the Friday, I guess, I have redeemed that gold ETF mutual fund, because I see that the gold is in right now in consolidation mode, and I see there is no direction at even the predictions is like a bit 50-50 chances, there is no clear trend. So once I will get the clear trend, if it is a bearish or bullish, so I will make one decision on gold, and I have exited both the gold and silver positions in mutual funds. And also I want more focus and on the trading side, and I can say the fundamentally I will be good for F&O trading, and right now I make sure the risk reward also I'm following good, and even I'm not scary about if my entry was not good and if it is going opposite of my expected direction. Okay, so right now it is good, and I'm more focusing on protecting my capital, and so I don't see any even see if you are putting risk, then only you will get that much reward. So but last 2-3 months I have invested, and I have traded with real money, but I have not more risk reward trader. But this time I will be stick with my plan. So what those plan, so I will ready reveal in the next video. So the next plans I have for until December 2025, I have decided to go with aggressiveness in F&O trading with only one lot per trade, but I will be following the strict stop loss and target points. And you can see there is a strict stop loss points is 12 points per trade, and the target points is 25 points, and if I reach 10 points also, I will book as per my confidence on the trade. Okay, so but this time I will be following strict stop loss and target, and this will be going until December 2025. And also I was fixed the trading setup for the 2 months for equity shares, and those I will reveal in the next slides, and you can see that what are the indicators I'm using in the trading view platform. And yeah, so next week will be deciding factor for the nifty, so that I have some cash in my hand, and based on that I will be putting in index funds for the next move. Okay, so these are my current plans for the next weeks. Okay, hope you have understood what are my next plans. And the next thing is I'm revealing the indicators I'm using. So this is my indicator that I have created with algo and filters, and as you can see my indicator is like a ProScalp at 4.0, and this is my original, and I can say it is exactly it will predict the movement in the stock market, and whichever the time frame or whichever the stock you pick based on the candles and the price action, it will show you the signals, like if it is a strong sell or a strong buy or anything. Okay, you can see there is a much more signals, this one. Okay, but this is a lagging indicator, because once we close that candle, then only we are confirming the signal. Okay, it will not predict the future, but it will confirming the trend after closing that particular candle based on the time frame you have set. Okay, and also here you can see the information table, and that information table, it will give you the RSI difference, and the RSI difference is like the difference between the RSI and also RSI confirm, like RSI and smoothed RSI. Okay, so these are you don't know, I will explain in detail with my pro scalper video when I commercialize this or anything. Okay, that will be coming later, but as of now this is in my learning, and this is my in a practice. Okay, practice mode. Okay, you can see the ADX I have added, and the trend direction and everything you can see in the info table. Okay, the next indicator I am using is like volume profile and the Munna CPR. So the Munna CPR is one of the YouTuber, Munna. He's written his own calendar. This is actually a Camarilla pivot points, and these Camarilla pivot points, you can see it will give you the correct exact the pivot points for resistance and support levels also. So this will be, if you are more into a CPR kind of trader, and you understood that CPR concept, and you can go ahead with this indicator. But I'm mixing with all of this so that I can give you the exact. Okay, and the left side you can see the volume profile. The volume profile is where you can get that point of control, and this point of control will give you the which point the exactly the market has a huge volume. If it is a buy or sell, okay, both you can see what is the volume, so that you are beware of what is the resistance or support. So the POC will act as like a resistance and support also. If the market is going beyond that, it will give it as a resistance. If it is up, and it will give support. Okay, so these are the another two, and the rest three I have is for another indicators. These are the ADX and RSI and volume breakout. So actually these three will be useful, and you can find in any other broking platforms also. Okay, you can see the ADX is for the strength, direction strength. RSI is that relative strength, and this volume profile is like in which time frame or which candle that has a huge volume, so that you can confirm the confident on the move. Okay, so these are all my indicators, and I hope you understand what is currently I'm using. Okay, so the next will be the current profit or current amount that I have, cumulative amount, and the target for the next November. Okay, so you can see as of now we are in the November first week, and as of now I have redeemed, I told you, like I have invested in a mutual fund, I have redeemed, and that 9,306 rupees that has a redeemed value. And other thing is equities and F&O and commodities. These three are not filled for a November, because I don't see any much a significant amount that I have made, even in loss or profit. Okay, so this is all about this week, guys, and I believe myself, and I know one day I will make sure my targets will come true, and my dreams will come true, and you will be part of my success. Okay, thank you for watching.